back to my channel. Today we're going to be achieving a fall look. It's a fall green look. I wanted to come on here and do a quick tutorial. I know it's been a minute, so I wanted to come on here and just do a quick tutorial with you guys and show you how I achieved this look. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into the video. So what I'm going to do is begin with the transition color, and I'm going in with the Warrior palette in the shade Canoe as my transition shade. Alright, and now I'm going in with my Warrior 2 palette, and I'm going in with the shade Jamata, and I'm going to use that as a second transition shade. Alright, and for the green, I'm going in with Juvia's Place Afrique. I'm going to use the shade Niger as the first color for the green, and then I will go in with another shade of green, and I'll show y'all guys that in a second. Next, I'm going in with this dark green shade from the James Charles Morphe palette. Y'all can't find my transition shade to tell me what the name is, but it's the darkest shade right here. So I'm going to go in with that on top of the green that I used from the Juvia's Place. Alright guys, I'm going to go prime my face with the Milani Prime Shield. Next, I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me in the loose fitting powder in the shade 20, and I'm going to set that primer in my face. Whew. So guys, after I set my face with the Maybelline Fit Powder, I went in with the e.l.f. Magic Mist Spray to set my face. Alright guys, so I'm going in with my Matte Poreless Foundation by Maybelline in the shade 355, and I'm going in to set my face. Sorry, 335. Y'all, it's like I'm doing nothing. As soon as I do my makeup, my kids want to come over here and be beside me. I'm not even doing anything. Okay, so I went in with the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade J13 to try to lighten up this area, but I don't think it's even going to help, y'all. Next, I'm going in with my e.l.f. concealer in the shade Deep Cinnamon, and I'm going to just use it to contour around my face, which I call the C-zone. Now that I have blended out my concealer and my contour, I'm going to go in with my setting powder. Okay, y'all. Sorry guys, I didn't say what I used, but I went in with my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 50, well the number 50, and it is called Wine. So that's what I use as my blush, something a little soft and subtle. And then I'm just going in with my Black Radiance in the shade Sculpt, and I'm using that to sculpt out my contour. Okay, y'all, I've recently been into like not doing so. Ooh, this hair, since I like layered it, gave it some volume in certain areas. I am in love with it, but I'm trying to debate if I want to do Corvette. I'll go ahead and set my face. So I know this is it does have a blue overtone, but what I always do is go on top of it with a black to make it pop more. But I just like this foundation because it really gives my bottom lash the look that I desire. So normally I don't like to use, sometimes depending on the look, I don't like to use a highlight, but today I'm going to do one because I'm trying to do it up for y'all because I haven't done a makeup tutorial in a while. I'm going in with my Juvia's Place Hair On, and I'm going to highlight a very faint in my T-zone. I hope you you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And if you made it this far, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, guys, so you don't miss an upload, guys. And as always, stay true and stay you, and I will see you guys in the next video.